Minimalism. It's about living with less. It's about making conscious choices to remove the excess, owning only what truly serves us, keeping only what adds value to our lives. It's about freeing ourselves from the weight of possessions, letting go of what no longer serves us. Minimalism makes room for what truly matters. It allows us to focus on relationships, experiences, and personal growth. Imagine a life with less stress, more clarity, and a sense of calm. Less cleaning, less debt, more time for what you love. This is the promise of minimalism. It's about finding freedom. Freedom to live intentionally. Freedom from the overwhelming demands of a consumerist society. Freedom to choose simplicity. Minimalism looks different for everyone. It's a personal journey. It's not about empty rooms and stark white walls. It's about creating a space that reflects you. It's about owning things with intention, choosing quality over quantity. It's about surrounding yourself with what you love, creating a home that brings you joy. Minimalism is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of evaluating and simplifying. Start small, take one step at a time. Each small step brings you closer to a life of less. You'll discover the incredible peace that comes with less, the joy of living with intention and purpose. We live in a world of abundance. We're constantly bombarded with messages to buy more, own more, have more, but all this stuff, it weighs us down. Clutter isn't just about messy rooms, it's about the mental and emotional baggage it creates. A cluttered space often reflects a cluttered mind. Think about the last time you searched frantically for something. Keys, phone, important document, that feeling of stress and frustration. Clutter contributes to that. Clutter steals our time, our energy, our peace of mind. It keeps us from focusing on what truly matters. It's time to reclaim our space in our lives. Ever feel like you can't see the forest for the trees? That's what clutter does. We become so fixated on the stuff that we lose sight of the bigger picture. We work long hours to buy more things. Then, we spend even more time cleaning, organizing, and managing those things. It's a vicious cycle. This cycle keeps us trapped. It prevents us from pursuing our passions. It steals our precious time with loved ones. It's time to break free. Minimalism offers a way out. By letting go of the unnecessary, we can finally see the forest again. We can focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Section 4. Creating space for what matters. Imagine walking into your home and feeling a sense of calm wash over you. The serenity of a well-organized space can be transformative. Your space is tidy, organized, and filled with only the things you love. Every item has its place and every corner radiates tranquility. This is the power of decluttering. It's a process that goes beyond mere cleaning. Decluttering isn't just about getting rid of things. It's about making room for what truly matters in your life. It's about making conscious choices about what we bring into our lives. Each item should serve a purpose or bring joy. It's about creating a space that supports our well-being. A clutter-free environment can enhance our mental and emotional health. When we declutter our homes, we also declutter our minds. The physical act of organizing can lead to mental clarity. We create space for clarity, creativity, and peace. Minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about intentional living. It's about making room for what truly matters. By focusing on what we need and love, we can lead more meaningful lives. It's about living a more intentional and fulfilling life. A life where every moment and every item has significance. Embrace the journey of decluttering and discover the freedom it brings. Create space for joy, creativity, and peace. Section 5. Your minimalist journey begins now. Ready to embrace minimalism? Start with your mindset. Minimalism is not just about having fewer things. It's about making room for what truly matters. Shift your focus from more to enough. It's about finding satisfaction in simplicity and understanding that more possessions don't equate to more happiness. Appreciate what you already have. Start small. Begin by identifying items that bring you joy and serve a purpose in your life. Choose one area, a drawer, a shelf, a corner of your room. Go through each item. This focused approach makes the task less daunting and more manageable. Ask yourself, do I use this? Do I love it? These questions help you determine the true value of your possessions. Does it add value to my life? If an item doesn't serve a purpose or bring you joy, it might be time to part with it. If the answer is no, it's time to let go. Remember, letting go of items can be liberating and create space for new experiences. Don't get hung up on sentimental items. Take pictures. Photographs can capture memories without taking up physical space. Share memories with loved ones. This can be a meaningful way to honor the past while embracing a clutter-free future. Then let go with gratitude. Acknowledge the role these items played in your life and release them with a thankful heart. Decluttering can feel overwhelming at first. It's normal to feel this way, but remember, every small step counts. Take it one step at a time. Celebrate your progress. Each item you let go of is a step towards a more intentional life. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Embrace the process and enjoy the newfound clarity and peace that minimalism brings.